Welcome back to our channel. In this video, we will learn 40 verbs in describing our hand and body movement. Let's get started. Bend. Bend is to move a part of your body so that it is no longer straight or so that you are no longer standing upright. Sample sentence. Bend your knees slightly. Stretch. Stretch is to straighten your legs, arms, or body to full length. Sample sentence. He stretched out his arms to try and reach the branch. Hold. To hold is to have something in your hands or arms. Sample sentence. Can you hold my bag for a minute? Hold hands. When two people hold each other's hands. Sample sentence. Lovers holding hands. Carry. To carry is to hold someone or something in your hands or on your back and take them from one place to another. Sample sentence. Can you carry that suitcase for me? Lift. To lift is to move something or someone to a higher position. Sample sentence. He lifted his arms to wave goodbye to me. Put down. To put down is to put something onto the surface such as a table or the floor. Sample sentence. She put down her knitting. Pick up. To pick up is to lift someone or something. Sample sentence. Kids picking up the shells at the beach. Squat down. To squat down is to balance on your feet with your knees bent. Sample sentence. He squat down next to a kid. Kneel. To kneel is to move down onto the floor so that the weight of your body is on your knees. Sample sentence. He knelt down and began to pray. Hop. To hop is to move by jumping on one leg. Sample sentence. Willie hops on one leg and then the other. Skip. To skip is to move forwards with quick jumps from one foot to the other. Sample sentence. Children skipping down the street. Jump. To jump is to push yourself off the ground using your legs. Sample sentence. The fans started cheering and jumping up and down. Lean. To lean is to stand while resting part of your body against something. Sample sentence. Joe is leaning on a fence. Crouch. To crouch is to lower your body to the ground by bending your knees and back. Sample sentence. We crouched behind the wall. Drop. To drop is to let something you are holding fall to the ground. Sample sentence. The girl is crying over the dropped ice cream. Drag. To drag is to pull someone or something heavy along the way. Sample sentence. Alex dragged his sledge through the snow. Push. To push is make someone or something move away from you by pressing with your hands. Sample sentence. Can you push harder? Pull. To pull is to hold something firmly and move it towards you, or move it in a particular direction. Sample sentence. Can you help me pull the trunk into the corner? Climb. To climb is to move up or down towards the top of something. Sample sentence. She slowly climbed up to the top of the hill. Fall. Fall is to drop down towards the ground. Sample sentence. Snow began to fall when we left the building. Jog. To jog is to run slowly, especially for exercise. Sample sentence. Jenny jogs 3 miles every morning. Crawl. To crawl is to move on your hands and knees. Sample sentence. We crawled through a hole in the fence. Walk. To walk is to move forwards by putting one foot in front of the other. Sample sentence. We must have walked 10 miles today. I am real exhausted. Run. To run is to move very quickly, moving your legs faster than when you walk. Sample sentence. Some kids were running down the street. Catch. To catch is to get hold of and stop something that is moving through the air. Sample sentence. Throw the ball to Tom and see if he can catch it. Throw. To throw is to make something fly through the air by letting it go from your hand with a quick movement of your arm. Sample sentence. Steven throws the ball back to the pitcher. Hit. To hit is to swing your hand, or something held in your hand, hard against someone or something. Sample sentence. He hit the ball right into the crowd. Punch. To punch is to hit someone or something hard with your fist. Sample sentence. He threatened to punch me in the face. Kick. To kick is to hit and move something with your foot. Sample sentence. He kicked the ball into the back of the net. March. To march is to walk together in a large group to protest about something. The army marched past. They all are in a high spirit. Clap. To clap is to hit your hands together several times to show that you enjoyed something or approved of something. Sample sentence. The audience are clapping and cheering. Knock. To knock is to hit a door or window with your hand in order to attract someone's attention. Sample sentence. There is someone knocking on the front door. Pinch. To pinch is to press a part of someone's flesh tightly between your fingers and thumb. Sample sentence. He pinched her arm playfully. Tickle. To tickle is to gently touch part of someone's body with your fingers in order to make them laugh. Sample sentence. I was tickled by her remarks. Scratch. To scratch to rub your skin with your fingernails to stop it itching. Sample sentence. Try not to scratch those mosquito bites. Squeeze. To squeeze is to twist or press something in order to get liquid out of it. Sample sentence. Squeeze some lemon juice onto the salad. Pet. To pet is to move your hand over an animal's fur. Sample sentence. Our cat loves being petted. Point. To point is to move your fingers in the direction of something in order to show it to someone. Sample sentence. Johnson pointed to a chair. Wave. To wave is to move your hand or something you hold in your hand as a signal or greeting. Sample sentence. Her parents stood at the doorway and waved goodbye.